Hi guys, so if you are vegan and you usually have cravings for chicken, come with me. Let me show you how you can make vegan chicken, aka gluten, aka seitan. So you're going to start off with a few cups of flour and you are going to add plain water and you're going to knead it for 10 to 15 minutes. It's an act of love. Trust me guys. Then you're going to submerge the dough in water and let it sit overnight. This is to let the gluten to start building in the flour. After then, you are going to wash the flour. Yes, it sounds weird, but you're going to wash it, guys. Trust me, just trust the process. So you're gonna wash it, and I washed mine approximately 7 to 8 times, or you can wash it until the water comes back next to clear. When you can see the gluten starts to form or separate from the starch, right, guys? That's how it would usually look. You can actually tell this is how the water would look. It don't ever come back absolutely clear. So what we're gonna put the gluten to rest, and then we're gonna make our broth to give it the flavor. You can add whatever spices you wish, but I added a few spices of my choice. And then I am going to also add the same spices to my gluten, because gluten is basically bland. You would have to flavor it to whatever you choose to have it taste like. Anyways, you're gonna add it and then you're gonna stretch it to incorporate all the flavorings into it. Then you're gonna basically braid it and add a few nuts. This is to give it the look of the chicken, the appearance of chicken when you cut into it, right guys? Anyways, you're gonna return to the stove where your broth has been simmering, and then you're gonna add your gluten to the broth and let it absorb the flavor. Keep it on low heat, guys. You don't want to overdo it. This is how it looks after half an hour of simmering on the fire. You can cut into it. At this point, you can choose to add it to whatever dish you like, but I am going to basically add mine to some bagels, and I will be having my bagels recipe posted shortly. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys really do enjoy. Make sure to tag me if you guys ever try it, and let me know if you guys enjoy the flavor. This gluten is 10 out of 10. I really do recommend.